Hello friends and welcome to our review of the Glen 4049 Hand Blender. This hand blender is designed to be small and yet delivers a wonderful performance. The stainless steel arm powered by a 200 watts motor blends, chops, mashes and purees in a jiffy. It comes with a plastic beaker for convenient chopping and blending operations. The beaker also doubles up as a measuring cup when you need one at arm's length. With a powerful 200 watts motor and stainless steel blades, you can chop and blend onions, tomatoes, leafy vegetables, mashed bananas very easily. You can whip eggs or cream, blend hot soups, make lassi or even churn butter. The blades can be cleaned easily and they are rust resistant, so they can keep running for years together. The handle grip is quite ergonomic and fits into the contours of your palm very comfortably. This lets you use it continuously for a longer period without any strain. It is certified by Bureau of Indian Standards for the quality and durability and is ISI marked. It comes with an easy-to-use one-touch push button strategically placed near the grip so as to make it very convenient to operate while holding the blender steady. This small and compact design fits into even a small drawer or shelf in your kitchen. It also comes with a hanging hook that makes it easy to place it in a convenient area for quick access. As the arm is made of stainless steel, you can use the blender in boiling hot soups or to blend the hot sarson ka saag to get that homogeneous texture. To sum up, this is a great companion for your kitchen. It is compact, handy and a powerful tool. The additional plastic tumbler cum measuring cup adds immense utility. Glen 4049 Hand Blender comes with 2 years brand warranty. For further details, please refer to the product page.